Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, this is the last MCQs video for Deloitte National Level Assessment, that is for LPA. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and share the video. If you are already a subscriber, please hit a like. If you are new to this Deloitte playlist, please watch my previous video so that you can get a clear idea on this topic. And this is the last video for MCQs. In my next videos, I am going to share on coding questions and interview experience of Deloitte. Okay, now let us go into the questions. Okay, this question is from testing concepts. Which progress in the given options involves rewriting the entire data warehouse periodically? That is full refresh. Okay, full refresh process involves rewriting the entire data warehouse periodically, replacing the previous data with the new data. It is often used with the data changes significantly. Okay, the correct answer is full refresh. Okay, let us go into the other question. This question is from technical. What changes came after implementing the cloud computing in traditional IT companies? Requirement of bigger server rooms with database servers, mail servers, networking and firewalls, routers, modems and switches? No. And power backup to handle all power failures? No. Requirement of huge number of cloud engineers for infrastructure setup? No. So none of the above is the answer. None of the mentioned above changes are not implemented. Okay, coming to the another question. This question is from technical. In robust boundary value testing, identify the values used to derive the test cases. That is Cartesian product of testing points min minus 1, min plus 1, nominal and max minus 1, max plus 1. Yes, right. This is the correct answer. In robust boundary value testing, these are the derived test cases. The explanation is over here because min minus 1 is just below the minimum value. Min means on boundary value. See this. The Cartesian product of these values ensures the edge cases are significantly explored on which is the bias. Okay, let us go into the another question. This question is from Java. The garbage collector topic is very much important in Java. Have a correct idea on this. So when does an object become eligible for garbage collection? Do you know what is the thing with the garbage collector? If you will define many of you will initialize many objects in the Java program, right? If you are not using any of the object for longer time, if you are not accessing or if you are not calling with the help of that object, the Java collector will automatically collects that same. See here, the correction is the answer is object A, object B are eligible for garbage collection. Okay, see, in scenario there is no live reference to either object A or object B. If the created objects are no more in live condition, they are collected by the garbage collector. Okay, an object becomes eligible for the garbage collection if there is no live reference for it. Okay, it cannot be accessible from any thread, and cyclic dependency does not prevent an object from being a garbage collected. Let us move into the another question. I hope you got it. Have a clear idea on garbage collection topic. This question is from HTML5. If the property value of name value pair added by an element with an item pro attribute is meta element, which of the following is true? Okay, on getting, if the element has a date time content attribute, the IDL attribute must return the content attribute's value. Okay, so option 2 is the correct answer for this HTML5 question. Coming to the another question, choose the characteristics of operating system from the given options means all the above. Memory management, processor, file and device management. Because all the options are listed, device management are essential characters for functions of an operating system. An operating system handles these tasks to ensure efficient resource utilization and proper functioning of hardware and software. So the correct answer is all the above. Okay, let us move to the another question. This is also from testing concepts. Which of the following are the reasons for the software to have bugs in it? Programming errors, software complexity and time pressure. So all of them are the reason for the software to have bugs in it. And this question is from Cloud Computing Basics. Which category of computer technology describes the services and applications that frequently use virtualized resources to run over the distributed network? The cloud computing is the correct answer. Okay, moving into the end the question. This question is from Networking and Security. An international corporation is concerned about protecting the sensitive intellectual property while using the cloud services. They want to ensure that even cloud service providers cannot access their own data. What solution should they prioritize? Implementing their own encryption and key management, right? If they want to protect their data for themselves, then they have to implement their own encryption key and management. Okay, this is the question from Networking and Security. Let us move into the another question. This question is from HTML5. It is repeated for several times. Which attribute is used to specify the character encodings that are to be used for the form of submission are accept char set. Okay, this is the solution. This is from Networking Cybersecurity. Cisco Nexus series switches run on which of the operating system? That is Cisco NSOS. Okay, this is the correct option. And this question is from Technical. Which of the following are the reasons for software to have bugs? Means all of three I have already told you, but here I have provided explanation. Bugs in software can arise from various factors. Programming errors are the common cause where mistakes in coding, logical or syntax result in bugs. Software complexity increases the chance of errors because more components or interactions between them can lead to the unforeseen issues, and time pressures can lead to the rushed development. So all three are the reasons to have bugs in software, right? Let us go into the question. This question is from OS. It is also repeated several times. All three are the characteristics of operating system, right? Okay, this is question from MCSQL. It is also repeated several times. Table level constraints are applied to the entire table level. Okay, finally, thank you. This is the end of the MCQs. I have covered maximum all the questions. Few topics I haven't covered, that is paragraphs from the verbal. That means they will give certain paragraph and they will ask the 4 or 5 questions and you have to answer for them. That is the few of the questions I have left behind, because paragraphs are such a huge topic, so I can't put this in video. And some pseudo codes from this technical round. They can be in any of the language like Java, Python and um, C++. They will give some pseudo codes and they will ask you few of the questions. You have to answer them. And some water images and mirror images they will give, and they will ask you to complete the blank. So in those questions I have left behind. And be sure while preparing for the Deloitte, prepare well. In my next video I'm going to create a content on coding questions as well as interview experience. Don't miss the chance. Have a good preparation. Okay, thank you. If you feel this video as informative, please hit a like.